Everyone's story is different, as are lifestyles, preferences, aspirations, and choices. While all of these differ, there is one place where everyone meets at one point. What we want to see, the serenity we feel when we see it, our choices that give meaning to our happy moments, touch our souls, and more. Right here, where everyone meets at one point, we are here. With our products that add value to your life, we are here to crown what you want to see with your satisfaction. And most importantly, we are here to be a part of your story. We are working with all our strength to provide you with the best service with our expert staff of 50 people in a closed area of 2,000 square meters on this road we set out in 1999. And we know, the better the quality, the more inevitable the satisfaction. Therefore, as one of the leading manufacturers in Turkey, we process each of our fireplaces with a perfectionist approach by combining our carefully selected materials, technology, quality, and comfort in more than 100 different types and sizes at every stage, from sheet metal cutting to assembly in our factory with high-level production capacity. In this way, we offer you long-lasting, aesthetic, and functional fireplaces and carry the traces of Schömne quality to your living spaces. While doing all this, we say, value our nature, value our people, and adopt sustainability at every stage of production. As Turkey's leading fireplace manufacturer, we continue to be the leader in innovation and quality, and to add value to your living spaces.
Schömne.
We are here for quality production in fireplaces.